National Hardware brings you quality brands of building materials in our flat pack department. Our American-made gypsum boards are among the best in the world. It is used to make interior walls and ceilings. Then there is the medium-density fiber board called MDF board. It is integral to the construction of many furnishings. The many benefits of MDF have led to its becoming the popular and functional choice in furniture construction. Just for the construction industry, we stock the best quality black film marine ply. It performs longer in humid and wet conditions and resists delaminating and fungal attack. Frequently used in the construction of docks and boats. You can get the most unique designs in our collection of laminated flooring. Easy preparatory work and conveniently installed to your liking. Durox cement boards and Wonder boards. Ideal for tiling floors and bathrooms. So check out National Hardware today for best quality, best prices, best service.